Grief is a powerful emotion. This is second part of yoga for grief. We are doing pranayama practice for grief to allow it to pass naturally as it came. By losing someone close to us, someone dear to us, can cause a lot of emotions to come up. All the memories will rush through our mind, and the question of why, and the question of death, and the purpose of life, all that is going to pop up in our emotional state. This is one of the best times to go deeper and find and seek answers for it. It can clear our own understanding about what life is for us. We're going to do a pranayama practice which helps us to be in a contemplative setting and keeps our mind more relaxed. Let's begin the practice. My name is Joshna and you're watching Yoga Series with Jo. This video is part 2 of Yoga and Pranayama for grief. Sit in a comfortable position, either cross-legged or sit in a chair, whatever makes you comfortable, and find a very quiet space. Being quiet is very important for our pranayama practice, so it helps us to reduce the distraction as we are dealing with something very, very deep. As you find a quiet space, sit upright with your shoulders nice and relaxed, chin slightly tucked in. You're going to inhale and feel your heart space. Exhale and feel your heart space. If you're not aware of where your heart space is, you can use your hands. Bring your fingers together and press the fingers against the center of the chest and feel the connection with your heart. Inhale here. Exhale. Feel your heart with the physical touch. If that's not comfortable, you can position your palms directly on top of your chest or both your palms on your chest. I find this more comfortable, so I'm going to use the finger pressing against my chest and feel that space. And I'm going to be very sensitive to listening to my heartbeat. Once I find my heartbeat, I'm going to breathe gently, rhythmically along with my heartbeat. You will hear lubbed up sound. You can try to breathe in, breathe out. Shallow breathing with the sound. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Rhythmically with the breath. Rhythmically with the heartbeat. Now you can make it 2 seconds to inhale, 2 seconds to exhale. 2 heartbeats to inhale, 2 heartbeats to exhale. Now 3 heartbeats to inhale, 3 heartbeats to exhale. 4, 4 heartbeats to inhale, 4 heartbeats to exhale. 5 heartbeats to inhale, 5 heartbeats to exhale. Release. You'll still be able to feel the heartbeat. I would like you to feel the heartbeat and stay there for the next 5 minutes. Feel comfortable, you feel very relaxed. And you're fully tuned in to how your heart feels. Now we're going to make a humming sound. 5 times. Take a deep breath. Feel your heartbeat and make a sound. Inhale again. Third time. Hold. Last time. Inhale. Get back to natural breathing. Now slowly open your eyes. This practice will help you to really calm down. Maybe it will also put you to sleep, which is a great thing. So if you want to take a quick nap, you can lie down and do a 10-minute Shavasana and then can get back up. As I said, grief is a very powerful emotion. We cannot handle it all in one day. So take time, let it come and it will go by itself. So I'll be aware and watch your thoughts and keep practicing this pranayama if you feel very agitated and lack of control of yourself. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.